Experiencing slow shutdown and restart issues in Windows 11? In this quick guide, I'll share 5 effective fixes to speed up your system's shutdown and restart times. Let's get started. Right-click on the Start and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, under the background processes the apps that are running. If you find any app that's running in the background which you are not using, right-click on it and select End Task. Once you have closed the task, you can shut down or restart your PC to check if the issue is resolved. Press the Win plus R keys together on your keyboard to open the Run command window. In the Run command search field, type Task MGR and hit Enter to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, select the Startup tab. Select the startup item that you may not require, right-click on it, and select Disable. Now, disable all the unused startup items one by one. Once done, exit the Task Manager window and try shutting down or restarting the PC, and it should work normally now. Right-click on Start and select Run from the right-click menu. This will open the Run command window. Here, type powercfg.cpl in the search bar and hit Enter to open the Power Options screen in the Control Panel window. In the Power Options window, go to the left side and click on Choose what the power buttons do. Next, in the System Settings window, go to Define Power Buttons and turn on Password Protection. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, scroll down and under the Shutdown Settings section, uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup Recommended option. Press Save Changes button to apply the changes and exit. You can now try shutting down your PC, and you should not notice any lags. Press the Win plus R shortcut keys on your keyboard to launch the Run command box. In the Run command search field, type control.exe and hit Enter to open the Control Panel window. In the Control Panel window, go to upper right and next to the View by field, select Large Icons from the drop-down. Next, select Troubleshooting from the list. In the Troubleshooting window, click on View, all on the left side of the pane. You will now be redirected to the All Categories window. Here, in the Troubleshoot Computer Problems field, click on Power. It will open the Power Troubleshooter. Click on Next. The troubleshooter will now start looking up for issues, and if any found, it will apply the fix automatically. Once done, exit the troubleshooter and control panel, and try shutting down your PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.